Hannah with WTI. When you're traveling, you always want to maximize the space that you have. This backpack from bergsalz is the perfect carry-on to travel with, and I really love it. I just traveled with this backpack, and let me tell you, you can fit so much inside of this bag. It has so many pockets and features that are perfect for traveling. It has a laptop pocket. It has a secret back pocket that sits up against your back when you're wearing it. The back is so nice and cushioned, so if you're wearing this backpack for a while, it is not uncomfortable. The straps are really cushioned as well, so it's not going to hurt your shoulders. I really appreciate that it comes with this wet pocket. So it's a lined pocket for things like your toiletries, or if you have any wet clothes that you need to travel with, that is not going to get the rest of the bag wet. It's so perfect. The inner compartment is nice and spacious with a lot of different pockets for your different gadgets, maybe your books and pens. You can put all kinds of stuff in there. And I love that it also has a shoe pocket underneath. Really great for those airlines where they limit your luggage, so you can really maximize the space and bring as much as you can in this small backpack. I absolutely love this bag. I think it was perfect for my trip. So if you're looking for something like this backpack, do yourself a favor and get one. I think it is absolutely perfect, but that's just my point of view.